that the African Development Bank Group, they approved a loan to South Africa for 8.4 billion South African rand. That will go straight to a group called South African government group called the South Africa Infrastructure Governance and Green Growth Program. So it's quite a long word. They're responsible to bolster South Africa's transition to a low carbon economy. So that is quite important. There's lots of pressure on South Africa using lots of diesel in generating electricity, also using lots of coal in that process as well. The money will be used for expanding renewable energy capacity. So that is green energy, obviously, and enhancing transport efficiency. So the transport efficiency is quite important, and that's the people, the African Development Bank that approved that. So enhancing transport efficiency is a big component for South Africa, specifically for the rail, Ashwin. So that is Transnet Freight is a big component in South African rail. South Africa actually do have the best rail track system in Africa. There's 21,000 kilometers network. There you can see one of the, that is the heavy haul line trains. There's the 1,500 kilometers heavy haul lines that South Africa do have. The problem at the moment is that of all the volumes, the heavy volumes that is moved annually, the rail system only currently have a capacity of 20% that they move of that, and it used to be 70%. So it needs to get up there again. To put it into tons, it used to be 170 million tons, and South Africa hoped to have that at 250 million tons by 2030. So it's all about the green energy, about locomotives that will also be more green as well, and the whole system to be more green. But at least there's money that was left. The problem for South Africa is that South Africa do have a big debt. South Africa debt to the GDP is very high. It's almost 76, 77%. So that's quite high.